Felt great today, and it's going to feel even better for tonight. But a great Wednesday so far. At least we're not talking about triple-digit heat.
The Remeisha Shade has been tracking the storm. Remeisha.
That's right. We continue with a tornado warning. This is your chance to check out the brand new Texas Storm Ranger. The good news about this, even though it is a very powerful hurricane, it's not expected to impact land. Today, the last full day of summer. Fall officially starts tomorrow, but it's still going to be feeling like summer. Well, overall, I expect the biggest severe storm threat to remain west of DFW. Hey, how are you? I am in the middle of Frisco Square and having a great time. We dealt with a lot of heat out there today. In fact, the hottest weather in over a month. Holiday weekend looking pretty good right now. So go ahead and start making those plans, maybe out at the pool, barbecue in the backyard. So this is certainly a severe storm. The main threat with this storm will be the threat for some large hail. Definitely prepare now for flooded roads that we will potentially have for the DFW area over the next couple of days.
Two words,
we could still have triple digits.
Nobody
then,
wants them.
Hopefully it will be a little bit cooler. Yeah, we don't want that. We want the weather to be a little bit cooler, but of course we all know it can be pretty hot that time of the year, but we're going to hope for some cooler conditions. For today, temperatures were seasonably hot out there, and some of you actually got to enjoy a little bit of rain over the last couple of hours. You can see those showers that moved over parts of Collin and Dallas counties. In fact, I'm going to zoom in and show you where we did have some rain. I have the radar looping over the last 2 hours, and check it out. We picked up some pretty good rain across parts of Plano and also Frisco. As you can see, that rain moving to the west. It is now fizzled out, but at least you got a little bit if you were looking for some rain. Also, southern parts of Dallas County picked up some rain. Right over Lancaster, we had a nice little cell move over that dumped some heavier rain, and we did have quite a few showers in Ellis County. Some of that moved right over Waxahachie, right along 35E. So low rain and storm chances stick around for tonight and tomorrow. Brief heavy rain, frequent lightning will be possible with any storms that develop, but it's not going to be widespread. As far as temperatures, they will stay near average, seasonably hot. That's exactly where we were today. Our normal high for this time of the year in the middle 90s, and we were right around 92 degrees during the afternoon. That was the high temperature out at DFW Airport. So overall, I expect more of the same for tomorrow. If you are going to be getting up and getting the kids geared up to head out to the bus stop, it looks like it's going to be fairly nice in the morning. 74 degrees around 7 a.m. Only a low 10% chance for a shower in the morning. However, when the kids are leaving school, it will be a lot hotter, 93 degrees, and the chance for rain will be higher as well, a 30% chance for showers and storms. So maybe you want to pack the umbrella because there will be a better chance for rain as school is letting out. Microcast will show you that small chance for a shower around 7 a.m. tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the middle 70s. We'll have some scattered clouds around in the morning, but I'm not expecting widespread rain for the Dallas-Fort Worth area in the morning. I do expect a few more thunderstorms and showers to bubble up by the afternoon as we get our peak daytime heating, and those storms may produce some brief heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and some strong wind gusts, maybe up to about 40 to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures will climb to the low 90s tomorrow. It's going to be a repeat for Tuesday as well. Mainly dry Tuesday morning, but scattered showers and a few thunderstorms possible around 4 to 5 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, and temperatures back in the low 90s. So your rain timeline for Dallas and Fort Worth showing that low rain chances will stick around from Monday all the way through Thursday. It's not going to be a washout by any means, but a low 20 to 30% chance for those spotty showers across the area. So for the rest of tonight, we'll dip to the middle 70s, low chance for a stray shower storm out there, and those rain chances will increase to 30% by tomorrow afternoon. High around 93 degrees. So a few showers and storms stick around through Thursday. Then as we go into the big holiday weekend, it looks like the rain pushes out and those temperatures heat up just a little bit, but we're keeping the triple digits away. The big Labor Day holiday weekend looking pretty good right now. So go ahead and start making those plans, maybe out at the pool, barbecue in the backyard, family and friends. Yeah.
I hang out with Remeisha. She sounds like a lot of fun.
Hey,
yeah, we'll come up with some cool stuff to do.
I'm going to be watching football all weekend, Labor Day weekend.
Gotta take a break every now and then. I am in the middle of Frisco Square and having a great time. We've got folks that are starting to stop by to check out our unique, revolutionary new vehicle, the Texas Storm Ranger. If you haven't had a chance to check it out in person, now would be a great time. It's a little hot out here, but I'm sure you can handle it. This is a really important, useful, valuable tool that we have now, and it's a great idea to come on out and to check it out. Let me tell you a little bit about it. On the back, we've got a X-band dual polarization
mobile Doppler radar. This thing is really powerful. Basically, we can go to where the storms are instead of waiting for the storms to come to us. So we can go out and set this up where we think the storms are going to develop, and basically we can get more detailed, more precise radar data information. So basically, if we have a storm developing and it continues to get even stronger, we are able to get that better, more precise radar data. So that's going to be critical when we're talking about looking at that radar data as far as when we have tornadoes developing. I think we'll start to get better views of those hook signatures and things like that. We'll get better views of all sorts of stuff with this truck. This has a 360-degree camera on the top of it. It's got a weather station, and it's just going to be a really valuable tool for the NBC5 weather team. Now, there are only 3 of these in the entire country, and we are fortunate enough to have one of these right here. So this means you will end up getting better warning from those severe storms that we know can pop up very quickly across the North Texas area. So like I said earlier, if you have a chance, come on out to Frisco Square and check out the Texas Storm Ranger. This will not be replacing the Texas Thunder Truck. That's still going to be our premier storm chasing vehicle, but the Storm Ranger can actually go out ahead of the storms and give us even better, more accurate, more detailed weather information. That's going to mean better warning for you. So we are excited about this, and this is really going to get a lot of use, especially during our biggest severe weather season in the spring. Live in Frisco, Remeisha Shade, NBC5.
Folks, yes, Remeisha, you have some new information.
This is from the National Weather Service. Basically, they're saying that radar presentation with the cell, with the tornado warning over Dallas, starting to get a bit messy at this point, but it appears that there are 2 supercells at this point in 2 different circulations, one primary cell with good rotation just southeast of downtown Dallas, and also a second weaker storm between Hutchins and Balk Springs, but the focus remains primarily on this cell that we are looking at now, right over Dallas, the Fair Park area, which will be moving into SMU and the White Rock Lake areas over the next 5 to 10 minutes. So certainly this is still a dangerous situation for you across Dallas County. Tornado warning still in effect. We are looking at velocity mode. We're looking at the winds within the storm, winds moving towards and away from the radar, indicating that circulation, the reds and the greens right over the city of Dallas. And this is where we are concerned with that tornado potential. We've already had confirmed tornadoes this evening. This is a very dangerous situation. If you are in Dallas now, you need to be taking your tornado precautions, get to the lowest level of your home or whatever building you're located in. Try to put as many walls between you and the outside as possible, and try to protect your head from any flying debris. We heard Brian James talk about a lot of debris flying around outside as that tornado touched down near the DeSoto area, and that's very dangerous. That could end up hurting you really badly. It could end up killing you. You need to protect yourself from that flying debris. Put something sturdy over your head and get to the lowest level of your home as well. At this point, no confirmed reports of a tornado on the ground in the Dallas area, but of course, as it moved over the DeSoto area, we did have reports of a tornado touchdown. So certainly this is a dangerous situation, and you need to continue to stay very weather aware as we track this circulation. It could tighten up yet again, a little bit more broad at this point, but certainly still showing some circulation right over the Fair Park area, getting very close to White Rock Lake and also SMU. Let's head back over to Rick with more. And I did go ahead and put a storm track on the storm affecting those of you in the Dallas area. Of course, we've got that area of stronger circulation in between SMU and the High 5, and this is where we are most concerned with that tornadic potential at this point. So here's the latest track, moving right over the High 5 over the next 2 minutes or so. This should reach Richardson around 6:50 p.m., Collin Creek Mall around 6:56 p.m., Plano by 6:59 if it holds together, Allen by 7:04, Heard Museum around 7:09, and McKinney, the tornadic potential will increase for you around 7:12. We've also got another area of circulation where we could have a brief tornado just to the west of Heath and to the north of Mesquite. So we are concerned with that area as well. That would push up into the Rockwall area. So we have multiple areas of circulation out there. We've already had confirmed tornadoes, of course, the one that moved right over the DeSoto area, and we are concerned with the Ennis area as well at this point, since we do have strong circulation there as well. So we are watching all of these storms, but you certainly need to stay weather aware because this is a very dangerous situation. Tornado warning continues for Dallas County. This is moving right over the High 5 at this point. It should reach you in Plano around 6:59, Allen by 7:04, and McKinney by 7:12 p.m. Let's head back over to Rick.
But a great Wednesday so far. At least we're not talking about triple-digit heat. We've had to deal with those triple digits the last 2 afternoons, now up to 18 triple-digit days
days for the year, we need to get rid of them, and it looks like we will for today. So that's some good news. We do have to deal with an air quality alert out there for today, though. We've got kind of a stagnant weather pattern in place, hot and mainly dry, not much mixing going on in the atmosphere, so that's not really conducive for good air quality. So we do have the air quality in the unhealthy for sensitive groups category for today. So if you do have those respiratory issues, make sure to try to limit that amount of time outdoors. You may want to do so anyway because it's just going to be plain hot by this afternoon. Hot and mainly dry all the way through Friday. So the rest of the work week will be pretty toasty for you. We do have a pattern change that we have to look forward to for this weekend. We're talking about more clouds in the area, spotty showers and storms likely, and temperatures finally coming down a bit cooler for the weekend. At this point, temperatures fairly comfortable out there right now, 76 degrees, but those 70s are not going to hang around for long. We'll still be around 76 by 7 a.m. with just a few high thin clouds around, no rain, but we will quickly climb to 90 by midday and 96 degrees by this afternoon. Wind stays fairly light for today, mainly out of the southeast around 5 miles per hour. And when you factor in that humidity, that feels like temperature or the heat index will be flirting with triple digits. So wouldn't it be nice to have some rainfall popping up on NBC5 radar, but it's just not going to happen for the next couple of days. I think the radar will look like this. It's going to stay pretty quiet and dry. We've got that big dome of high pressure right over us, but we've got changes brewing. This high slides off to the east the next couple of days. A trough digs in from the west, and that's going to mean a better chance for scattered showers and storms Saturday and Sunday, and also some cooler temperatures as a cold front moves through. So for Saturday and Sunday, microcast showing the rain building into the area, scattered showers and storms for both days. That front finally pushes through late Sunday into Monday, and those temperatures will be turning a bit cooler, so that will be a great thing for us. We have endured enough of this intense heat. So hot today and dry, hot for the first day of fall tomorrow, and once again, pretty toasty for Friday as well. But changes are coming for the weekend. Cooler temperatures, mid to upper 80s for highs, scattered showers and storms, more clouds around, so a little bit of relief for us to finally enjoy.